Hey everyone, welcome back to the WealthWise Academy podcast, where we unravel the mysteries of money and make it work for you. I'm James Carter, and today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting for beginners. Joining us is someone who knows her way around a spreadsheet better than most of us know our way around our own homes, financial educator and budgeting expert, Elsa Kent. Welcome, Elsa.
Thanks, James. I'm thrilled to be here and eager to talk about one of my favorite topics, budgeting.
Fantastic. Now, for many people, the word budget can feel daunting. It conjures images of endless spreadsheets and self-deprivation. How would you describe budgeting to someone who's just starting out?
Great question, James. Budgeting, at its core, is about understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. It's like a roadmap for your finances, allowing you to navigate your financial journey with clarity and confidence. And trust me, it doesn't have to be overwhelming or restrictive.
That's a relief to hear. So, what's the first step someone should take when they're ready to start budgeting?
The first step is to track your spending. Yes, every single penny.
Wait, every single penny?
Yes, every penny, for at least a month. You'd be surprised where your money disappears to when you're not paying attention. Once you have that data, you can start categorizing expenses and identifying areas where you might cut back.
It sounds easy enough, but isn't it hard for beginners to stick to a budget?
It can be challenging, but the key is to make it realistic and flexible. Allow yourself some wiggle room. Life is unpredictable. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress.
I love that approach. Now, Elsa, what tools or apps would you recommend for someone just starting out?
There are plenty of great apps like Mint or YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. These can help automate the tracking process and even give you insights into your spending habits. They're perfect for beginners.
Perfect. And before we wrap up, any quick tips for listeners to keep the budgeting journey on track?
Absolutely. Set clear financial goals, celebrate small victories, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Remember, budgeting is a skill. And like any skill, it gets easier with practice.
Wise words, Elsa. Thank you so much for sharing your insights today. For our listeners, if you found this episode helpful, be sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, this is the WealthWise Academy podcast, helping you take charge of your financial future.